Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Village gift shop set. I'm really happy to have it because this set is rare now and it includes such the cool figures as the Butterglove Rabbit mother and the Beagle Dog brother. I also really like all the stationery stuff. This set includes such as thermoses, different books, note holder, the bag probably, some more books, rulers, scissors, forks, spoons, the box with Sylvanian gift. What? Sylvanian gift something, okay. I can't read with. Pencil cases, cups and teeth brushes. Yeah, even the teeth brushes. And the pencils, of course. On the top of the box we can see how our Beagle Dog brother is buying the box with some stationery stuff, I guess. And here is another picture of it. On the back side we can see all of the contents which the set includes and 2 more pictures of it. Also there are marmalade bears here, father and son, and chocolate rabbits, of course, Freya and Cram. So yeah, let's start opening. So we've got this cardboard and plastic box with some bigger stationery stuff and with little transparent packet with smaller ones and this little box and also this packet with books, I guess, and something else. But we also have this counter and figurines, of course. And what's underneath? Ah, here is the collection catalog, the bag, for stationery and some stickers. So before picking the stickers on, I wanna show you this collection catalog of 2013. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Well, I finally finished with the stickers and cardboard elements, but unfortunately I couldn't make this box good enough. It doesn't have a bottom because I didn't know how to make it, but I guess it looks okay on the shelf like this. Yeah, pretty nice, I think. And I'm gonna set all the stuff up on the counter like in this picture. Well, I just finished setting up, but I'm not sure about this postcards, and I just want to put them somewhere here, like this. And yeah, just look at all this amazing stuff. And as I said you before, this set is especially cool because of these two figures. Just look at this amazing dog. He looks handsome and I really like his soft tail. It's so cute. And this is the rabbit. And she has the tail as well. Well guys, I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends if it's not difficult. Love y'all. Bye.